Nakitang masayang-masaya.
Oh, thank you po. Actually, masaya po talaga.
Bakit nga ba? Ano ba nang nakakapagmasaya sa'yo?
Well, ang kalma ng life, kakagaling lang sa bakasyon. Medyo, well, I don't feel pressured. Masaya lang ako talaga. And, well, of course, si Dom has been making me happy. He's been taking care of me.
So, paano ka napapasaya ng isang Dominic?
Yun nga, sinishare niya yung interests niya with me. He also asks me what I want to do, kung ano yung mga interests ko. And so far, nag-gel talaga yung mga interests namin. Hindi ko alam kung dahil sabay kami ng birthday. Hindi, actually, sabay kami ng birthday. Kaya siguro medyo nag-gel, July 20. Nag-gel kami ng mga interests.
So expectedly, meron na kayong plano for your birthday?
Wala pa nga, actually. Wala pa po kaming plans talaga.
Yung kissing niyo si Shergo ba? Doon ba yung nag-start? Pero tama naman kami or...
Hindi ba? Well, nag-uusap-usap na po kami nung time na yun. But like, yun nga, sabi ko, when I drink, I get too excited. And pogi, kinis ko. Charing niya. Hindi. Well, nag-uusap na po kami nun. Medyo papunta na kami sa... Nagkakamabutihan na po kami.
May ligawan.
May nagliligawan.
So it's a good trip?
Yeah, no. It was actually my trip. Because I did a lot of films last year, so I wanted to take a break. So I talaga nakaplano yung 1 month ko sa Siargao. Yes, and since nag-usap na kami noon ni Dominic, he asked me kung is it okay if I follow to Siargao. I want to get to know you more. Ayan, okay po, sige po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.